All right, check it out, everybody. I got a box. It is a gift box from REWA, and we're gonna check out what's inside to see what kind of goodies were sent over. So this is a really nice looking package. So let's take a look inside. Here we go. You know, REWA, if you're not familiar, definitely check them out on Instagram and YouTube. They have a lot of repair related videos. But let's take a look at what it says here. Thank you for trusting us on your repair business journey. Every device you bring back to life supports a sustainable future and strengthens meaningful connections. Keep devices alive and maximize their economic impact. Powered together, built for future repairs. And it has their 3 brands, REWA, Refox, and Repart. You know, they do have different types of products. So they have, you know, their social media, they have their tools, and then they have parts, so like screens and batteries. So check out their website. I'll link it down below in the video description. So let's see what's actually in here. So first, there's this one right here. It looks like a t-shirt. Take a look. It is actually really high quality. Kind of looks like a jersey. If you look closely, you can see kind of like the mesh. So let's put this on. There you go. So it feels a little tight, but it's really nice feeling shirt. So yeah, that's one piece. Now what else is in here? Oh, a hat. Definitely gonna need this. You know, it does get really sunny here in Vegas. There you go. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments of the swag. All right, so now the important part. This looks like to be some of the tools. All right. The first one I found, it is a Repart magnetic screw pad. So this is so when you're disassembling phones, you can be laying out your screws and won't mix them up. You know, this is a critical tool for any repair technician. Oh, it's just a single magnetic mat. I don't know if you're supposed to actually use these as a guide, but you know, here's the pentalobe screw. Stays there. So if you're new to repairs, you know, these are critical because as you're taking apart the phone, you don't want to just have your screws laying there because look, you can just bump this and it's not going to go anywhere. If you have these loose, really common issue is people bump them and now you mix up the screws. You could be putting a long screw in a short hole and you have problems. So very cool magnetic mat. Next is the ultra thin entry pick. So this looks like it's to get into a phone. It looks like a ninja star. So it's super thin. So I guess you can use these to, you know, get into a phone. I personally don't use these, but maybe you guys will find this useful. Oh, cleaning cloths. These are very handy for repair because you're doing a lot of cleaning when you're doing, especially with microsoldering. So let's cut this open and see what they feel like. It's a giant stack. Probably like 100 pieces. Yeah, 100. They're really soft. These are perfect for cleaning your chips, cleaning flux off your boards. I use these type of cloths all the time and definitely gonna put these to work. There's a lot of stuff in here. Ooh, opening cards. So these are just like basic playing cards, but they're clear and transparent. These are perfect for iPads. So as you're opening, you can use the corners to slice through the screen to open it up, or just basically anything where you need to pry with something soft. Oh, and some more opening cards, but these are more like pick style. I've actually been using these a lot recently for iPads as well. These work really well, especially you know, cutting that adhesive on the screen. And one side is kind of like rough. This side is super smooth. So I don't know how that will play into a repair, but good to have. Let's see what else. And then lastly, looks like this is the last piece. What do you guys think this is? Screwdrivers. So some Refox screwdrivers, Rice 2D. Repair is nice, Rice. I don't know what that means, but That's what this says. Let me know in the comments. Do you guys want me to do a giveaway on these or a review? Would like to hear from you guys. So pull it out. Feel really solid. This is a Penelope. Let's check the other ones. Phillips, very important one. Here's what the tip looks like. It looks pretty solid to me. Let's test it on the Samsung phone here. So this is a Samsung S21 FE I'm working on. Actually, I just fixed. And let's see how this opens up. Oh, there goes magnetic screw. All right, take this one off. Yeah, that feels really smooth. I might actually use them a little more. Let's see, open this up. There's a screw in here as well. Yeah, it's pretty nice. There's more screws down here. So if you want a solid set of screwdrivers, you know, these 5 pieces are the ones you would use for most, like 99% of the phone repairs you'll ever see. So you got a Penelope, you got the Phillips head, you got the standoff screw, the green one, you got the Torx. I see this a lot for Pixels and Motorola's. And then the tri-point screwdriver. So these are some nice screwdriver bits. So far, so good. Use them on your magnetic mat. All right, so let me know what you guys think of all these different tools. Which ones are you interested in learning more about, or are you gonna get? And thanks a lot to REWA for sending this over. Appreciate you guys. So thanks everyone for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.